welcome back. So today's our topic is RDS, which means Relational Database Services. So let's break terminology into three parts. We'll search for RDS AWS. Okay. So this is RDS, Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. You might be familiar with what a database is. There are two types of databases basically. One is uh, SQL and another is no SQL. So SQL is a structured data with relations, so it is called a relational data, and another is unstructured and it doesn't have a proper relations, which is MongoDB. You have heard about it, I guess. So that you don't need to install server locally and do all kind of thing. You can directly log in into MongoDB and then use the URL and all its credentials, then connect with the database. But when you want to install MySQL, Postgre or Oracle, MariaDB, you just need to install them on your local system and then run them. So to avoid this issue, when someone does this on premises, they might incur a lot of server charges because the databases need to be running all the time. So they came up with a solution called Amazon RDS. So this Amazon RDS is AWS Managed Database Service. Managed means the database is elastic in nature. You can scale up and scale down according to your requirements. Then Amazon takes care of all the charges. You might be charged, you will be charged according to your usage, but not as much as your server charges. It will be of very basic charges. I mean, it depends on organization you're working in and the type of service you are using. So without further delay, I'll go back to my AWS console, then I'll click what's that, one second. Yeah, RDS. So you'll find the first option, click on it, Aurora and RDS. I'll open this in a new tab. Okay. See, here you'll be shown these all options. Instance is a place where your RDS runs. So let's not discuss all of this. For now, our main target is to create a database. Let's see how to create a database. It will ask us whether you choose standard create or easy create. So it gives us two options. For now, let's go with the standard edition because you set all configuration operations including the availability, security, backups. Because you choose everything, you can also go with this, but it's not recommended sometimes because it doesn't give you the free tier version. So I'll go with the standard create. Then I'll choose MySQL because today we have a project where we get it from GitHub. I'll show it. So this is the project Flask AWS demo. This is a to-do list. I mean, it's a full stack project. It has a front end, it has backend, and it has database which we are configuring now. So if you are familiar with Flask, that's fine. Even if you are not familiar, I just want to say, if you want to write backend, you can choose a Python file and write the code here. So this is my Python code. Then for your front end code, you need to create a folder called templates. Then you can put all your front end codes here. So these are all my front end codes, I mean a single code. And this is requirements.txt, which means all the requirements you need to install before running your Flask application. So that's the point. We are choosing MySQL. Then let's go with the default. So this is the latest edition. I'll go with this. I'll choose free tier here. Then I'll name it as Flask To-Do List. Then you keep it admin. I'll go with auto generated password. So I will find password later. View credentials, okay. Or I'll just create a new password here. Then I'll go with the default settings here. As we connect, as we run our Flask application on an EC2 instance, we won't do it on our VS Code directly. We'll run in the instance we borrow from our AWS. Then I'll go with connect to an EC2 compute. So before that, I just want to create an EC2 instance. I'll directly go and create it. It's straightforward, as we have created in our many classes. Okay, click on launch instance, then name Flask demo. I'll use Ubuntu. Keeper, I'll choose this ECR as I have used in our previous class. I'll select an existing security group. No, I'll create a new one. I'm naming it SQL Connect. I'll add few rules as well. SSH, it's as usual. I'll add another rule to expose our port, which is 5000. I'll add another rule also. So here it will be a rule to connect with our SQL. So we have an option for that as well as MySQL Aurora. Then that will be port 3306. We'll see this. Okay, that's fine. Launch instance. Okay, yeah. CIDR block all zeros so that it should be accessible from anywhere. Then launch instance. Okay, our instance got created. Will take few seconds to initialize. Yeah, it's up and running. Then let's refresh it. We'll find an instance. Yeah, we have our instance ready. Okay, yeah. I'll choose an existing subnet group. Yeah, I should give public access, right? Okay, I'll go with this. Let it be, because I'm not connecting anywhere from outside, right? I'll go with this. Okay, everything is set up fine. It takes a couple of minutes to get created. So until then, I'll remote login into my system. Where is it? I think everyone knows how to remote login. We have also seen in our previous classes. I have already a session. I'll just quit it. I'll choose a key. Then I'll connect with it. Okay. Sudo apt get update. So it gets updated as usual. Okay, until then, let's see a Flask application. Okay, I'll open the repository. I'll copy the link, then I'll clone the repo. Okay, why am I doing this? Because I want this project in my local system. Git clone and copy paste the URL. So we also have our URL ready. Now let's try to set up a virtual environment, I'll go to this folder. But before getting started, let me install MySQL as well. The command is sudo install. Okay, you see I have given this command. Where is it? Yeah, here sudo apt get install MySQL client. Why? This installs MySQL into my system. I can see MySQL version 8.0.42, which is the latest one. Okay, let's install it. Install. Oh my god, what happened? Actually, I typed seeing keyboard, so I don't notice screen. Okay, pip is getting installed. That's fine. I'll click on ls, then cd flask AWS step. I'll just install a virtual environment. Python. Okay, Python 3. Sorry. So should I run this? Let me run this. Sudo. Okay. Okay, I'll run this command directly to avoid any kind of conflicts. Just follow the same steps. Install everything. Let me wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. Now I'll do this. Okay, a virtual environment got created. Now I'll enable this. Pin activate. So this, okay, this is working fine. Now what I'll do is, I have my database here. So I'll get an endpoint. I'll copy this endpoint. I remember my password. So what I'll do is, I'll just edit my Python file, vim app.py. Vim is a command to edit your files or create a new file. Click on I, then go down. You can change your password here. You can change your endpoint here. Paste, then go there and change your password. So this is my password.